Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have Silver Bullet right here, 1969 Camaro RSSS convertible, 396 4-speed, posi rear, deluxe interior, factory gauges and console and tachometer and spoilers, and the list just keeps going. Just finished a body off frame restoration. Comes with this nice show board that'll go with it. Go to volocars.com to read all the information and look at the pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you got to click on that bell icon if you want to be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, the top's down. Join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah. It's not much of a frame. It was body off frame restoration. Everything was removed from the bottom of the car essentially. And the front end is brand new. The suspension, the steering components, the bushings, the ball joints, the shocks, all of it is fresh, not even dirty. In back, it's got the multi-leaf springs, new shocks. Nice sounding dual exhaust system, which you'll hear towards the end of the video. It does have a crossover pipe, and it has Flowmaster mufflers. And it has the slash cut stainless tips like a 69 Camaro would have. Fuel system's new. The tank, the straps, the sending unit. Looks like the fuel line's replaced. The brake system's been redone. Up front, the calipers and the backing plates and hoses, all that looks new. They're disc in front. The e-brake assembly's hooked up. New brake lines. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh, clean Chevy orange. New starter. It has a Muncie 4-speed transmission. The VIN number of the car is stamped on the transmission. Excuse me. So it is a number match Muncie according to the previous owner that was just rebuilt. It has original 12-bolt rear end with a 307 posi, which is dated right before this car, so that is correct. The floors have been restored. They put some new reproduction floor pans in. They did a real nice job. So it's all metal, no rust, and it's all painted a nice black under there. So very fresh, tidy, practically new under the car. The body and paint's outstanding. I was just walking around it before we got started here, and I didn't see anything wrong with it. So let's check it out a little closer. This is all straight. There's no dents, there's no waves, no problems, no issues. The hood fits square, the lines are good. All this is nice, the lines are nice, straight. All this lines up great, fits nice, smooth all along the bottoms. There's no bubbles around here. There are 3 little chips in the paint right there. So the body's excellent, no cracking, no problems. It all fits real nice. Of course, it has the spoilers, straight. No damage, no waves. It's clean all the way to the very bottom. All nice and clean. This side's just as nice. There is a decent sized chip on the edge of the door that's been touched up. Not noticeable unless you're looking for it like I am. Now the paint itself, it is Cortez silver, and according to the tag on the firewall, that's the color this car was born. Silver sometimes can be blotchy or cloudy. This is laid out real nicely. All the metal flake is laid out, and the clear coat's polished really nice and smooth. It has a glass finish. It has the hockey stick stripes. They're proper, the right dimensions. Also has the Rally Sport. That's the hideaway lights, and also relocated reverse lights in the back. I'll show you in a minute. All the trim has been replaced. The emblems, the ice cube trays, the stainless around the windshield, the bumper, all the chrome, the grille, the correct antenna, marker lights, door handles. This has the exterior trim package. That's the louvers and the wheel well moldings. Convertible top, it's a power top. It's all restored. Black top, plastic window was replaced, the frame was painted, the rubber was replaced. I do not have the boot that goes over it. Quite frankly, the boots on the Camaros are a pain in the butt to use. You'll probably never use it, or if you do put it on, you won't want to take it off. Reproduction Firestone redline wide oval tires. They look like they're 15-inch. Yep, they are 15-inch. The SS wheels are probably new reproduction. They look new, and they're 15-inch, so yeah, they got to be reproduction. Originally, they were 14. The SS 396 has the blacked out panel. Here's the reverse lights that are relocated. On a non-rally sport, they're up here in the light. So I think that just about sums up the exterior. Also has a remote mirror, which is optional. That looks brand new. The windshield's replaced. So let's open it up and see what it's like inside. I'm about to show you a very nice trunk compartment. Underneath the trunk lid, it's painted slick and glossy. Has the stickers and the rubber bumpers. The jamb is slick. The weather strip is replaced. All solid metal with a very tidy coat of gray and white spatter. Looks like they did a really nice job of it. It has the shaker cans. Those are counterbalance weights for convertibles. They're there. The well liner is new. The mat and matching tire cover are new. It does have a spare and looks like a reproduction jack. Even the wiring harness, the tail light housings, the latch assembly, all looks new. Everything in this trunk is new, and it all fits right. It looks nice. I mean, that looks like a brand new 69 Camaro trunk compartment. That's how it's supposed to look. Door jambs are painted real nice. Weather strips and fuzzy window seals and sill plates were all replaced. Now, deluxe interior, that's the molded door panel, and that looks to be in great shape. They did reuse the original window cranks. They're a little bit tired looking. Dash area is in great shape. Part of the deluxe interior is all the rosewood trim across the dash, and it's very good. The vents, the instruments, the knobs, it's a power top. Has a factory optional tachometer, and then the optional gauges with the console, and the right Hurst shifter, the rosewood trim. You got a nice clean ashtray. You got a owner's manual. The light works. All the interior lights work. All very tidy and clean. Carpet's new. Has embroidered floor mats. Has the correct seat belts front and back. Part of the deluxe interior is the upgraded upholstery. They're also re-cushioned and reupholstered. Headrests look good. Back seats in real nice shape. So overall, the interior is very good. Visors, the mirror, the dash pad. There is a crack at the top of the steering wheel. This is the optional rosewood wheel. According to the tag on the firewall, the car was born with the black deluxe interior as well. Fully restored engine compartment. It is a correct 396 motor. It's been rebuilt. It has aluminum intake. It has headers, long tube coated headers, HEI ignition. It looks like a dual feed Holley carburetor. And then we've got the correct valve covers and air cleaner, and the wires are run neatly, and everything's nice. Look at the gutter and the squirters and the reproduction stampings, GM hoses and clamps, washer bottle. We got a Delco battery topper, so it looks authentic. The right cap. We got the shroud and the clutch fan and alternator. All that looks new. We got the horns. The wiring, I believe, through the whole car is new, the wiring harness. I know it is in the trunk, and it looks like it up here, too. We have power steering and power brakes. This is the optional or extra for the Rally Sport. They have headlight washers. I don't know if that's all hooked up, but that's what that extra little motor is for there. Got hood insulation. Yeah, very nice motor compartment. We've got a very desirable car here. RSSS big block 4-speed convertible, along with a whole pile of other options, and it's fresh frame off resort. It's a nice car. This is a great weekend driver. Go to any car show. You'll be proud to take it anywhere. Door shuts nice. Just very, very respectable, good, clean car. I like how it was restored. They got a good finished product. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance this car. Go to volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. And that way you'll be notified when the next great car is posted. Thanks for watching.